Hi guys, this is Imran and welcome to ADF. Today we are going to talk about how to do the metro treatment. The metro treatment can be done by two methods, but the process will be same. You can do it on your main tank in which you had kept all your fishes. Second, you can have a small hospital tank of 1 feet size in which you can do all kind of treatment for the sick fishes. We will do the second method, which is more beneficial than the first, because if you are doing the first method, so you have to do the treatment for all the fishes even though they are not sick. So from my recommendation, you should always do the treatment for only that fish who is sick or ill. So let's start the process. Here I have my hospital tank of 1 feet size. You can take the water from the main tank if the water is clean, or you can take the still water. The still water means water which you had stored for more than 24 hours. No direct tap water should be used for any aquarium fish. It's very dangerous. Here I am taking the water from my main tank to my hospital tank. After that, you just have to put the oxygen stone and heater. No filter, no sponge filter, no power filter, no top filter during the treatment. Now put the fishes which are sick and leave them alone for 15 to 20 minutes to get stable. If you are putting the fish and directly meeting them with the medicine, so they will get stressed. So the chances to getting them well will become less. My suggestion is to off the light for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes gets over, take a clean glass or bottle and take up water from the hospital tank and put the capsule in that glass or bottle. Here I am just taking the 3 capsules. The number of capsules depends on how much water is there on your tank. Basically, we have to take 5 capsules for 100 liter of tank. By this you can just calculate the number of capsules you have to give to your fishes. We have to put this capsule in that glass or bottle and wait till it gets dissolved. We can also dissolve it as soon as possible by taking separate spoon or shaking well in the bottle we had taken. After the capsule get dissolved, we have to drop the medicine water inside the hospital tank. The main point, the power of this capsule is till 8 hours. So after dropping the medicine water, you have to count the hours. When the 8 hours get completed, give them half an hour rest. After that, just give them little food and see whether they are eating or not. When half an hour gets complete, after feeding them, you have to do 50% or 70% of water change. But here you don't have to take the water from the main tank. You have to take the still water for doing the water change or siphon. If they had started to eat, you have to do the treatment for 3 days by following the same process. And if they are not eating, you have to complete the 5-day process. But during the treatment time, the temperature of the water should be around 32 degrees Celsius. Hope you guys like this video and got some information. If you guys have any question, you can ask me by commenting, and also you can let me know on which topic I should make a video for you guys. Thank you so much. For now, stay tuned, stay safe, and wait for my next video. Take care.